Hello students, in this video we will discuss about ozone layer and the causes of its depletion. Depletion means the destruction. What are the destructions of the ozone layer that we will discuss in this video. Ozone is a form of oxygen. It is present in a rare amount in the Earth's atmosphere. In the troposphere, ozone is generated only in small amount, but in the stratosphere, that is a second layer of the atmosphere, at 20 to 50 km above the sea level, it is present in significant. It is produced by the action of high energy radiations from the sun striking some molecules of the oxygen and converting them into the ozone. Ozone absorbs the ultraviolet solar radiations coming from the sun. These ultraviolet radiation we cannot be seen or felt, but these are very powerful radiations. Radiations means the rays of the sun. The ozone layer in the stratosphere also protect the earth and its biosphere from the extra heat. The ozone layer forms a thick layer in the stratosphere encircling the earth that has a large amount of ozone in it. It protects a planet. It protects the earth from the harmful radiations. Now, what is ozone depletion? Ozone layer is a natural sunscreen of the earth. What it is thinning dramatically over the south pole each spring. In the simply that the decreasing the amount of the ozone in the stratosphere. Ozone layer depletion means when the thickness of the layer decreasing. This happens when the chlorine and the bromine atoms in the atmosphere come into contact with ozone and destroy the ozone molecules. It destroys the more quickly than it is created. This thinning of the ozone layer over the Antarctica come to be known as the ozone layer hole. This hole allows the entry of the large amount of the ultraviolet radiations. These ultraviolet rays are very harmful and can cause skin cancer, skin burn and the other harmful diseases. So here is the one question. What are the causes of the depletions of ozone layer? Students, during the last several decades, excessive release of the chlorofluorocarbons, that is also called CFCs, have the major cause of the depletions of the ozone layer. These chemicals used in a spray cans and as a refrigerants react with the ozone layer and destroy it. The second cause is radioactive substance. Radioactive substances like uranium, thorium also deplete the ozone layer. These radioactive substances are used in power stations and nuclear explosions. Their reaction produce the large quantity of nitrogen oxides which goes into the stratosphere and destroy the ozone layer. Air pollution is also responsible for the depletions of the ozone layer. Air pollution due to the smoke. Smoke means the air pollution that reduces the visibility. In December 1952, London was trapped in a deadly cloud of fog and air pollution for 5 days. And the other examples is the leakage of the lethal gas from the Union Carbide factory of Bhopal. So these type of the air pollution had the very bad effect on the ozone layer. Deforestation is also the one of the cause of the destruction of the ozone layer. Deforestation is a permanent loss of forests and woodlands. Trees are known as the consumers of carbon dioxide. Loss of the trees means a more quantity of the carbon dioxide in air. Half of the wood harvested in the world is used as a fuel wood and the charcoal. This also adds a large quantity of the carbon dioxide to the air. Volcanoes also play a big role in the ozone's depletion. Large eruptions give out the sulfur dioxide, which speed up the destructive chemicals reactions and make the cause of the depletions of ozone. Due to these causes, the ozone layer is thinning. The largest ozone hole was noticed in the September 2000 near the Antarctica. An ozone hole is an ozone depleted area. It was noticed by the satellite imaging conducted by the NASA in the USA. Now the annual data is being maintained and the efforts by the almost every countries are being made to reduce the breaking down of ozone molecules. So many chemicals are banned now in the many countries. Those are thought to cause the depletions of the ozone layer. We can protect the ozone layer from being destroyed by planting the more trees and avoid the consumption of gases which are the very dangerous to the ozone layer. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you all, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.